not anybody else. A lot of people are talking about Substack notes on Substack, but I haven't really seen any statistics to prove that this is their highest and biggest growth contribution acquisition channel. I currently have about 900 new subscribers in the last 30 days, and more than half of them are already coming from Substack notes. And I also haven't seen anyone sharing statistics about conversion rate on notes. Currently, this is the acquisition channel for me with the highest conversion rate. And it's currently 7.6%. So as you can see, in total for all my subscribers, 1,300 subscribers are coming from notes. It's on total, it's just 30%, but that's really growing. And 101 paid subscribers are coming from notes. And that's bringing me to 7.6 conversion rate, which is quite high and above average of Substack, which, as far as I know, is around 5%. I really know that what I'm doing. Everything that I'm gonna share with you will help you implement the exact system that's gonna bring you to similar results, and I'm really confident about that. I also just recently, so my system that I'm gonna share with you in this course helped me grow more than double my daily new subscribers on Substack. I import them automatically to ConvertKit, and this graph I tend to I prefer to look at the growth graphs from ConvertKit because it's more comprehensive and I can really understand better the data. Substack charts are not really, when it comes to new subscriber growth and daily subscriber growth, it's not really visible. But as you can see, before I implemented this strategy in the beginning of February, and before that I was growing with about 10, 15, something like that, new subscribers per day. And once I implemented on February 1st, I really started growing, and now I'm more than doubling my growth. As you can see, the trend is increasing, and that's it took a little bit of time to gain momentum, but everything that you need is just to stay consistent. Implement this and stay consistent for at least 1-2 months, and I'm confident that you're gonna see results. I'm also already in top 100 Substack in the education category. It's really a huge milestone to me, and my growth strategy coming from notes is contributing for this growth. I'm pretty confident about that, because just yesterday I also saw that I was number 20 rising in education. Out of all of the Substacks on that platform, I don't know how many, I think it's hundreds of thousands of Substack. I raised to 20 from everyone who is growing right now in this category, which is a huge milestone. I became a Substack bestseller, and it took me about 3 months after implementing my growth strategy. So I started my Substack in June 2024, and I took my first 2 months to really figure out the platform and develop my growth strategy. And up to then, I got about 20 paid subscribers, which was September 1st. Then I implemented my growth strategy, and as you can see, everything started to really grow much faster on my paid subscriptions. And by November 15, I got my first bestseller batch with above 100 paid subscribers. That's about 2.5 months, and it's really amazing milestone. I also have above average paid growth rate and above average paid subscriber retention rate. That's something the Substack automatically shows me in my statistics, and this type of statistics you will be able to see once you become a bestseller. It's really early for me to say, because I haven't reached the 12-month milestone, but it's really nice to see that I'm above average. I have a total of 5.8 paid subscriber conversion rate. That's so I was about 6.5 and I was maintaining this, but because of my huge growth in the recent 30 days, and because it takes a little bit of more time for people to convert to paid, this slowed down a little bit, but it's still above average on Substack. I also just recently received my first batch for 10K, so it's already a 5-figure newsletter on Substack, and it was really amazing. And as you can see, notes are contributing to this growth as well. So once you implement the system that I'm going to share with you in this course, you will be able to also see those kind of notifications that bring you paid subscribers directly from notes. And of these notes, yeah, I can show you also some examples of my viral notes. For example, this is my first viral note. It got 10,000 likes and 170 new subscribers, and it took, I think the effect lasted about a week and a half or 2 weeks, and I got this really nice bump in the subscriber rate. That's my current viral note, and it's still going. It's still bringing me new subscribers. It's currently at 3,300 likes, and I am closing to 200 new free subscribers out of this note, and out of them already 2 of them became paid subscribers, which is really amazing. Another note that went kind of viral to me, so everything above 500 likes can be considered viral, but I know other people consider viral everything above 100 likes. So this one got me 66 subscribers, this one got me 44 subscribers, this one got me 15 subscribers. As you can see, most of them I have written just recently with my approach. So this one also got me about 9 subscribers. This one got me 5 subscribers, and this one also 5 subscribers. But all of these effects just compound to that growth rates that I just shown you. This one got me 2 subscribers. This one also just 2 subscribers, and this one I wanted to show you just to give you an example that you don't really need to aim to go viral. Sometimes, most of the times, you just need to stay consistent, because a lot of my notes are not really viral. I wouldn't consider, oops, this keeps coming up. So I wouldn't consider this a viral note, not really. And most of those notes also I wouldn't consider viral because they don't really have 500 likes, but they do bring me new subscribers. And because of the way that I implemented and approached notes, they all contributed to the growth that I was sharing with you on that graph. Okay. I also a little bit more about me. So it took me about 11 months to build a 5-figure online business last year, and that's on the side of my 9-to-5 job, working just about 2 hours per day and some more on the weekend, of course. But in the work days, it's really taking me about 2 hours. I am a product marketing professional who loves tech. I'm building subscription-based services and on the product side, but also on the marketing side, and also sales. I'm really an expert in sales, and specifically in subscription-based services sales in the big tech. I'm also a leader and a coach, and I have been helping people to grow their careers and also in their personal lives for years, for I would say decades already. And it's something that I really love doing. So you're in good hands.